Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Google Drive storage on web, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Sign in to your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings panel, look for the Upgrade Storage option on the left side. Click on Upgrade Storage to view the available storage plans. You will see a list of different storage plans along with their prices. Review the options and choose the plan that suits your needs. Click on the plan you want to select. You will be redirected to a payment page. Enter your payment information as required. Review your purchase details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on the Purchase button to complete your transaction. After your purchase is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Your Google Drive storage will be upgraded immediately. You can now start using your additional storage space for files and documents. To check your new storage limits, return to the Settings menu. Look for the Storage section to see your new total storage capacity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.